One of our goals at Circuit Board Medics is to simplify the process of component removal and reinstallation for our customers. One item that we commonly repair is the Kelsey Hayes 325 anti-lock braking module. This module is found in many GM, Ford, Dodge, and some Honda and Isuzu vehicles. This video is showing the removal from a 2002 Chevy S10 Blazer. The location of the module on your vehicle may be different, but the removal process should be similar. For this removal, you will need a T20 Torx bit driver and a flathead screwdriver. First, using the T20 Torx driver, you will remove the 4 bolts securing the module as shown here. Then, lift the top portion of the module up. It may be a little difficult to separate, but the 4 bolts are the only thing that hold it together. There are 3 wiring connectors for the ABS module. Carefully release the one on the front side as shown here with your flathead screwdriver. The other 2 connectors are on the rear of the module. The first one should release easily with your fingers as shown here. The second connector has a locking slide that has to be released with a screwdriver, which is red on our module. Work the slide open, then press the tab as shown here to release the connector. Now your ABS module is ready to send to Circuit Board Medics for repair. Please call us or visit our website to place your repair order or if you have any other questions.